Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today's video is based on how you can fix or unban your WhatsApp number. In order to unban your WhatsApp number, first thing first, check your internet connection. So if your WhatsApp has been banned, it can be a frustrating experience. So WhatsApp usually bans number for violating their terms of services, which may include activity like sending spam, using unofficial WhatsApp version, or engaging in other forms of misuse. So here's the steps how you can fix it. So first of all, you can contact WhatsApp support team. The first step to reach out to your WhatsApp is directly contact the support team. So open the WhatsApp application. After that, you're likely to see a message indicating that your number has been banned and offering a support or contact option. So tap on the number. Follow the prompt to contact WhatsApp support, explain your situation and request that your number to be unbanned. After that, you'll need to wait for the WhatsApp to respond. So it will usually take 24 to 48 hours. And after you receive a response, follow the instructions and then you can resolve your issue. So review your use of WhatsApp and make sure you haven't violated the term services. If you have, take steps to correct any issues. Avoid using third-party applications like WhatsApp versions as they can lead to ban. You can also appeal the ban. If you believe that a ban has been a mistake, you can correct any violation. You can use appeal to WhatsApp for reconsideration. So in the email response for WhatsApp support team, you'll need to type in or provide the instructions on how you can appeal. So follow these instructions carefully. After that, so in order to appeal for it, you need to go to your web browser and then on the search box type in contact or WhatsApp support team. After that, here you'll be able to find the instructions on how you can get contact. Apart from it, you can also use alternative number. If your number remains banned, consider using an alternative temporary number to create a WhatsApp account. Remember to inform your contact of your new number to stay connected with them. So the main agenda is that you need to use official WhatsApp application. So always use the official WhatsApp application from reputable source like Google Play Store or Android or the Apple Store for iOS. So that is basically how you can unban your WhatsApp application or your account. That's it for this video. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.